Welcome to the world of luxury motorhomes, where innovation meets elegance. Today, we're counting down the top 3 futuristic motorhomes that redefine travel and comfort. From jaw-dropping designs to ultimate luxury, these masterpieces will leave you speechless. So, let's dive straight into the future of travel. At number 1, we have the Mercedes luxury motorhome. Welcome to the future of luxury travel. What you see right now is not just a vehicle. It's a futuristic masterpiece by Mercedes. A motorhome designed for tomorrow, blending innovation, power, and luxury in one stunning package. For the next few movements, let's take a journey into the details, design, and imagination that make this concept motorhome a dream come true. First, let's talk about the design. Look at the bold shape, the futuristic body lines, and the aerodynamic structure. Unlike traditional motorhomes, this one doesn't just focus on function, it focuses on presence. The multiple wheels give it a powerful stance, ensuring stability and dominance on the road. Notice the Mercedes logo beautifully highlighted in gold, symbolizing prestige and class. The headlights are sharp and aggressive, giving the motorhome a spaceship-like appearance. It's as if the future has arrived early. The extra set of wheels is not only for design, it also represents strength, heavy-duty performance, and the ability to carry luxury with ease. Every detail screams modern engineering. This isn't just a motorhome. It's a rolling 5-star hotel on wheels. Now, imagine stepping inside. The futuristic Mercedes motorhome interior would be unlike anything else. Soft leather seats, reclining and massaging at the touch of a button. LED ambient lights that change color with your mood. A panoramic roof above, letting you gaze at the stars while you rest inside. The living space would feature a lounge area, a fully equipped kitchen with smart appliances, and even a luxury bathroom. Every detail would be voice-controlled: lights, temperature, entertainment, and more. Think of it as a smart home, but mobile. The sleeping area would have a king-size bed with memory foam, ensuring comfort during long journeys. Imagine waking up inside this futuristic beauty, opening the blinds, and finding yourself parked near a mountain, a beach, or even a desert. Luxury travel at its peak. Mercedes is known for pushing boundaries, and this concept proves it. The motorhome could feature electric or hybrid technology, offering eco-friendly travel without compromising on power. Autonomous driving features would allow the vehicle to drive itself on highways. Advanced sensors, AI navigation, and safety systems would ensure a smooth journey. Imagine relaxing with your family, watching a movie, or enjoying dinner, while the motorhome safely takes you to your next destination. The dashboard would be digital, futuristic, and voice-assisted. A giant touchscreen would control everything from navigation to entertainment, making it simple, stylish, and efficient. This motorhome is not just a mode of transportation. It symbolizes a whole lifestyle. It represents the boundless freedom to travel to any destination without having to part with the comforts and luxuries that we are used to. Whether you're embarking on a thorough road trip across Europe, navigating the vast deserts of Dubai, or pitching your tent in the pristine mountains of Switzerland, this motorhome brings every journey to life as an unforgettable experience. It's ideal for individuals, celebrities, or even families who yearn for the best of both worlds, chasing adventures while still enjoying the comfort of home. Imagine finding yourself parked at a prestigious car show or a lavish luxury resort. It would not just be the talk of the town, it would indeed cause a scene. This is not merely about the transportation aspect, but it also serves as a bold statement about one's lifestyle and preferences. So what does this fascinating and futuristic Mercedes motorhome have to tell us? It highlights that the future of travel is definitely changing. People no longer stick merely to going from one point to another. They now want an enchanting experience. They crave comfort, opulence, sustainability, as well as cutting-edge technology, all merged into one incredible vehicle. Mercedes is presenting us with a brief glimpse of what the future holds. A vehicle that fuses innovation and imagination together seamlessly. A dream that truly inspires and motivates. A future where travel is not purely limited to the roads. It embraces the lifestyle and adventure that comes along with it. I would like to take a moment to thank you for accompanying me on this journey through the captivating world of futuristic motorhomes. If you found this video genuinely enjoyable, please feel free to hit the like button, share it with your friends and family, and subscribe to our channel for even more fantastic content about the future of automobiles and luxury travel experiences.
Coming in at number 2, the Ferrari concept motorhome. Known for speed and iconic sports cars, Ferrari takes luxury travel to the next level with this extraordinary design.
Imagine a world where Ferrari's passion for speed meets Mercedes-Benz's obsession with luxury. What if the world's most prestigious supercar brand teamed up with a king of German engineering to create not just a car, but a rolling 5-star hotel? Ladies and gentlemen, What you're looking at right now is not a dream, not a concept sketch. This is the futuristic Ferrari x Mercedes motorhome. A beast on wheels that promises both adrenaline and elegance in ways we've never seen before. Stay with me for the last minutes as we explore every inch of this jaw-dropping machine, because trust me, you won't want to miss a second. If you're new here, we explore the most futuristic vehicles, luxury motorhomes, and mind-blowing designs shaping the future of travel. Don't forget to hit subscribe and turn on notifications, because what you're about to see today is the definition of next-gen travel. Let's begin with the design. At first glance, you can immediately tell this is no ordinary RV. The bold Ferrari red instantly grabs your attention, while Mercedes' design language is visible in those sharp aerodynamic lines. The massive glass windows stretch across the side, creating a floating lounge effect. Notice the futuristic LED strips along the body, giving it a hypercar-inspired aesthetic. The Ferrari logo sits proudly on the front, while the Mercedes emblem crowns the top, almost like two titans signing their masterpiece together. This is not just a vehicle, it's a moving sculpture, built to dominate highways while turning heads at every corner. Performance and engineering. Of course, beauty is nothing without power. Reports suggest this motorhome is powered by a hybrid drivetrain combining Mercedes' electric expertise with Ferrari's racing DNA. Imagine a 1,200 horsepower motorhome that can glide silently in city streets but roar like a Formula One car on open highways. The multi-axle design ensures stability, while adaptive suspension adjusts to any terrain. Whether you're cruising through smooth highways in California or rugged mountain roads in Switzerland, this motorhome delivers comfort without sacrificing Ferrari's racing spirit. Interior luxury. Step inside and you're entering another universe. The interior is designed like a private jet. Spacious leather recliners, panoramic glass ceilings, touch-sensitive ambient lighting, and a lounge area that feels more like a luxury penthouse than a motorhome. On the upper deck, you have a complete lounge with smart glass windows switching from clear to tinted with a single touch. A massive 8K entertainment wall dominates the living space, powered by Mercedes' latest MBUX system. And the kitchen? Forget camping stoves, this one has a full chef setup with smart appliances, induction cooking, and even a wine cooler built into the wall. The Ferrari influence comes in the details, the red stitching on leather, the sports car-inspired cockpit, and a steering console that feels like you're piloting a spaceship. Bedroom and comfort. Moving to the private quarters, this motorhome doesn't just give you a bed, it gives you a suite. A king-size smart bed with memory foam, ambient lighting that adjusts to your sleep cycles, and floor-to-ceiling smart windows offering breathtaking views wherever you park. You even get a spa-style bathroom with rainfall showers, heated floors, and Italian marble finishing. Who said road trips can't be luxury getaways? Family and travel experience. Picture this, you're driving through the Swiss Alps with your family. The Ferrari engine humming in the background while your kids relax in the lounge upstairs, watching movies in cinematic quality. You park by a riverbank, slide open the panoramic doors, and suddenly the outdoors feels like an extension of your living room. This is the kind of travel that changes the game. It's not about reaching a destination, it's about living the journey. Technology and safety. Of course, Mercedes never compromises on safety. This motorhome includes AI-assisted driving, collision avoidance, and fully autonomous cruise control. Ferrari's input adds responsive handling, making it surprisingly agile for a vehicle of this size. Add solar panels on the roof, eco-friendly hybrid tech, and smart AI assistants throughout the cabin, you're looking at the most intelligent motorhome on the planet. So here's the real question. Is this the future of road travel? A collaboration between two giants, Ferrari bringing speed, Mercedes bringing luxury, delivering the ultimate travel machine. I think it's not just the future, it's the dream every traveler didn't know they had. If you've enjoyed this deep dive into the Ferrari x Mercedes futuristic motorhome, let me know in the comments. Would you take this beast on a world tour? Or would you rather park it in your driveway as the ultimate flex? And don't forget subscribe for more futuristic vehicles, luxury home tours, and next-gen designs. The best part? This is just the beginning of what's coming in the world of travel.
And at number 3, we have the BMW Futuristic Motorhome. BMW has always been ahead in innovation, and this concept is no different. Close your eyes and imagine the future of travel. Not planes, not hotels, not traditional RVs, but a futuristic luxury motorhome. A machine that combines cutting-edge automotive engineering with the comfort of a 5-star villa. This is not just a motorhome. It's the ultimate dream home on wheels. From the outside, this luxury motorhome looks like it belongs in a sci-fi blockbuster. The aerodynamic curves, panoramic glass design, futuristic headlights, and ultra-modern alloy wheels give it a commanding presence. Every detail is engineered not just for beauty, but for performance. Imagine pulling up to a scenic location, the sun setting behind mountains, and your home gleaming like a spaceship. Step inside and you immediately leave the outside world behind. The living area opens up with wide lounge seating, ultra-soft upholstery, and smart ambient lighting that adapts to your mood. Floor-to-ceiling windows bring in natural light, while blackout smart glass ensures privacy when you want it. Integrated entertainment screens, voice-controlled systems, and a futuristic dashboard remind you that this is luxury, reimagined for travel. For food lovers, the motorhome comes with a high-tech gourmet kitchen, compact yet fully functional, featuring induction cooktops, smart refrigerators, automated coffee makers, and hidden storage that maximizes every inch of space. The dining area transforms into a space where you can enjoy a romantic dinner for two, or host friends on the road. Imagine cooking fresh meals while overlooking an ocean or a mountain range. As you move towards the back, the motorhome transforms into a luxurious private suite. A queen-size bed with memory foam, built-in climate control, and panoramic skylights for stargazing nights. The bathroom is equally futuristic, with rainfall showers, touchless faucets, and heated mirrors. It's not just a place to sleep, it's a retreat on wheels. This brand has packed this motorhome with future-ready technology. Solar panels integrated into the roof keep you energy independent. AI-assisted driving and autopilot make long journeys effortless. Smart assistants manage lighting, temperature, and even entertainment with a single voice command. And with eco-friendly power systems, you're not just traveling, you're doing it sustainably. This motorhome is more than luxury. It truly represents freedom. Freedom to live and roam anywhere, without any constraints or limitations. You can work anywhere you desire, without having to worry about airport procedures or hotel check-ins. As long as you have access to a stable power source, you can be sure that your dream home on wheels will be waiting for you at every corner. For families, this mobile abode represents not only an opportunity for adventure, but also a means for bonding and creating cherished memories. It's an escape from the mundane routine and a chance to create a new chapter in their lives. For entrepreneurs, it offers an unparalleled level of flexibility and mobility, providing them with the freedom to set up their own businesses or pursue their dreams without relying on traditional 9-to-5 job structures. For those who dream big, this motorhome on wheels represents the ultimate sense of independence. It allows them to live a life that is free of the shackles of routine and conformity, allowing them to fully embrace their passions and desires. In summary, this remarkable vehicle represents a fresh perspective on the concept of living and traveling, offering a unique blend of comfort, freedom, and adventure that is unparalleled in nature. As a traveler, it would come with a plethora of benefits, such as minimal stress related to accommodations, tailor-made experiences according to your whims, and the utmost comfort in an environment conducive to relaxation or rejuvenation. This dream machine would not only provide shelter, but it would also act as an extension of your living space, providing a functional yet stylish haven for you and your loved ones. Besides, if you take this tour in a single day, you can simply detach your motorhome from the vehicle and enjoy a more mobile lifestyle with the utmost convenience and private space you deserve. The choice is truly yours and how far you would like to take this journey. If you found this idea to be interesting, feel free to share your thoughts or comments below. These three luxury motorhomes, Mercedes, Ferrari, and BMW, are more than just vehicles, they're dreams on wheels. Each brand brings its unique flavor. Mercedes with refined luxury, Ferrari with unmatched prestige, and BMW with futuristic sustainability. Which one would you choose for your ultimate road trip? Let me know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this countdown, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel Luxury Mindset World, and hit the bell icon so you never miss our future content.